your hand. Can now return it back to you.
Thank you.
Why is the weather so hot today?
I know, right, Hannah?
Someone please turn on the fan.
No information. The fan is working.
Is this the maximum speed? I'm so hot studying.
I know, right? We have problem for centuries already.
Simple air cooler. First, cut holes on the cardboard, then cut the mineral bottles into half. Next, insert the mineral bottle in the hole on the cardboard. The end of the mineral bottle will be placed outwards the window, and the top of the mineral bottle will be placed inwards the window. When the hot air from the outside rushes into the bottle, air will be compressed under high pressure and cool the air inside the glass.
The mini vertical garden is an adaptation of the vertical garden idea but reimagined in a mini version on a glass door. To make this mini vertical garden, all we need is a few recyclable plastic bottles and a few L clamps. Firstly, drill in the L clamps on the door. This will help to support the bottles which will be placed on them. Next, plant your favorite plants inside the recyclable plastic bottles. And the third step is to place the bottles on the L clamp.
The aromatic bookcase is a book holder made of recyclable detergent bottles. To make this, mark and carefully cut out the top part as well as the handle of a large detergent bottle using a sharp X-Acto knife to achieve the shape of a book holder.
After that, feel free to use your creativity to decorate the new book holder according to your liking. Finally, you can slide your books in.